the Vegan Soul Food Cookbook and Guide for non-vegans, vegans, and everyone in between. COVID-19 exposed our community. We can no longer ignore the issues with diet, access to healthy food options, and the need that we need to come up with our own solutions. Now, this guide is a small part of a larger movement underway, and inside you'll have access to many who are changing the fabric of our community, and we would love for you to join us. In this book, you'll find things like the basics of how to cook vegan food the right way, an overview of typical ingredients used in vegan cooking, and what impacts being a vegan has on your overall health, and big one, how to deal with your family and friends when you begin changing your eating habits. Now, in this guide, not only we have access to great breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack recipes, but we have a ton of links in here put together so that you can use the guide as your go-to online reference for everything vegan soul. That includes black-owned vegan food businesses, black-owned vegan restaurants near me, no matter if you're in North America, the Caribbean, Central America, somewhere in Africa, or even the UK. And also the top vegan soul food bloggers out there. And the top vegan soul food cookbooks, recipe links on YouTube, and more. So go ahead and download this today. It's free. And on the offer, you'll see that if you want to upgrade and you're serious, we have the All for 4, which is helping you with your immunity, helping you get better eating habits, and also, if you're so inclined, grow organic food, which I believe we need to do next, and that will be the topic of our next book. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please share, please subscribe. Thank you again, and have a blessed day.